Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this little video is kind of like a continuation. If you wanted to change the colors, and if you don't watch part 1 and 2, we have all these different, well, there's 3 different colors, but they're all separated. So if we wanted to group those together and change them all the time, we're going to go to Edit and Find and Replace, and then we're going to pick that color, and we're going to say From Selected, Find All, go up to Object, and combine them, and then we can nudge those out of the way. So there's all that one color. Now we're going to select that color, select from selection, find all, go up to object, combine, which is Control L. We're going to nudge it twice. So now we've got both colors. The outer ring is a little bit different. And then we can take it, if we want this item to be a little bit darker, we can take the eyedropper tool like we did in the earlier video and put it into there and make it that color. Then we can take this color up here, so take and get your eyedropper tool and pick that color and drop it into there. Didn't really change it too much because that color is pretty much the same color as what we had, but we're going to make the other one lighter. So we're going to get the eyedropper tool and find that color and then put it into that one, and it made it quite a bit lighter. Then when we nudge that over, nudge that back over, and then nudge our ring back over, which is neither here nor there whether you're going to change the color of that. There you get a totally different look, and very easily by Find and Replace. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.